Good morning. My name is Edechinua. I'm director of Emco Foundry work located at Opunebu, Umudemu, Nnewi Anambra State. Emco Foundry, we are into foundering and fabrication of spare parts. Like we produce all motorcycle spare parts and motor spare parts and some parts in ship flying boat engine. We produce a lot of spare parts like motorcycle, crotch lever, shoe brake, and footrest. We also produce battery terminal for all cars and also produce flying boat engine seating and a lot of them. But this one is the specific one that we are into. Now, Emco Foundry started at year 2000 and my dad was the founder of this company. Though he has passed through a lot process, he was admitted in Nnewi National Incubation Center where he spent a lot of years. Then I joined the business when I finished my secondary school and I found out there is no job. Then I decided to join the business. According to my dad, he told me that the reason why he started this foundry work was he found out that foundry work is one of the most parts in engineering sector. Then he got passion towards it and started the business. And also he told me that the major reason is that to create more work, for Nnewi is a industrial and automobile city where there is high demand of spare parts. People from different continents, in some Africas, they come to Nnewi to get those parts. And it's a very big room for anyone that is into spare parts within this Nnewi. Due to all we produce here is manual, everything we've been produced here is being manual. We produce about 10,000 units monthly for each product. We have customers from Nnewi automobile markets. Also have customers in Lagos. We have about our battery terminal is being supplied in Angola, in some other countries like all these Burkina Faso, Togo, Benin Republic. We have customers over there. The major challenges we are facing is machine. You know, everything we're being produced here is being produced manually, and these products go through a lot of process before you get the art finish of it. Like now, after casting, you need to file it. After filing it, you need to drill it to open it. After drilling it, you need to put it to a barrel machine to smooth it before you paint it. So all these things takes a lot of time before it comes out. With the help of modern machine, we can able to increase our capacity, also reach demand of our customers in the market. Due to our manual processes, we are not able to meet their demand. But with this help of these machines now, we can get their products done at the time they want it. The workforce is about 10 people, though we have some part-time students.